1990년대 말 미국 웨스트 버지니아의 한 탄광마을. 고등학생 오웬은 학교에서 시험을 치르고 있지만 시험에는 전혀 관심이 없어 보입니다.
Dude, come on. Stop it. Dude, give me my pencil. Stop it.
Pencils down, please. Get rid of your gum now. All right, everybody, see you tomorrow. Owen, get to class now. You want to fail this class? Fine, fail this class. But don't you dare drag my grandson down with you. If you want to talk, I'm here. I mean that, Owen.
Can I go? Where'd you get this?
Grandma gave it to me.
오웬의 친구 매트는 교사인 할머니의 보살핌 아래 어긋나지 않게 자랐습니다. 그런 만큼 할머니는 늘 사고를 치는 오웬과 손자가 어울리는 것을 탐탁치 않게 여깁니다.
Where are you going, man? Are you gonna answer my question? Give it to me. Give it to me. What, you got something special in there? Owen, come on! Owen! Go, come on! Faster, man! Get... Come on, buddy, let's go!
운전이 미숙했던 매트는 당황한 나머지 그대로 비탈길 아래로 굴러떨어집니다. 경찰의 사이렌 소리에 겁이 난 오웬은 친구의 생사를 확인하지도 않고 그 자리를 피해버립니다. 잠에서 깨어보니 어제 일이 떠오르며 꿈이 아니란 걸 실감하는 오웬.
Owen, can I talk to you for a second? Owen, Jesus, what happened to you?
Nothing, leave me alone. I said leave me alone!
Son, if your mother's trying to have a...
사실 남자는 새 아버지였고 새로운 가정에 마음을 열지 못한 오웬은 점차 엇나가기 시작합니다.
Good morning. Early this morning, we received some heartbreaking news. As some of you may know, there was a car accident last night involving two of our students.
결국 매트는 목숨을 잃고 맙니다. 오웬이 곧바로 신고해 병원으로 옮겼더라면 어쩌면 살 수 있었을지도 모릅니다.
I know you were there.
You don't know anything, man.
Yeah, well, I'm telling. I'm going to...
Say anything, I kill you. Swear to God,
Hey!
I'll slit your throat.
Hey! Break it up! Break it up! Now!
Matt was a good kid. Never understood why he made some of the choices he did.
Can I go?
No. We've got some officers here who'd like to ask you a couple of questions.
Well, I don't know anything.
And I guess that's what you'll tell them. Want to tell me how you got that?
Dirt biking?
Where were you last night, Owen?
At a party.
아들의 엇나가는 행동을 더 이상은 견딜 수가 없는 엄마.
Your father has agreed to take you on in Wyoming.
그 길로 바로 비행기에 오르는 오웬. 3,000km 떨어진 서부 와이오밍주의 옐로스톤 국립공원에서 늑대 연구원으로 살고 있는 그의 친아버지에게로 향합니다.
I'm Everett. I guess we have a lot of catching up to do, Owen. So, what did Elaine tell you?
She didn't tell me anything.
I heard you lost a friend. All right, here we are. This will be your bedroom here. You got a closet there for your stuff if you need it.
낯선 공간에서의 첫날 밤, 오웬은 오랫동안 잠을 이루지 못합니다. 에버넷이 나간 걸 확인한 후에 집안 이곳저곳을 살피고 뒤져보는 오웬. 그러다 권총을 발견하게 되고 오웬은 총을 챙겨서 정처 없이 길을 걷다 깊은 숲속으로 발걸음을 돌립니다. 갑작스럽게 밀려온 공허함과 자책감에 짓눌린 오웬은 결국 극단적인 선택까지 생각하게 됩니다. 불쑥 나타난 늑대 앞에서 오웬은 순간 멍해지고 공격해야 할지 망설이는 찰나 늑대는 뜻밖에도 얌전하게 지켜만 봅니다.
Hey, Owen. Here, grab a seat. I'll get you a plate.
자연과 함께 살아온 에버넷은 오웬을 통제하지 않고 스스로 변화할 수 있도록 자유롭게 둡니다.
I saw one today.
How close were you?
It was like here to the sink,
Where?
like off the road. I have no idea.
Here we are. Did you take a right or left out of the cabin?
Left.
How far did you walk?
About 2 hours, but probably went to the woods about an hour in.
Probably in Lamar Valley. I'll bet that wolf you saw was part of the Druid pack. Here's Druid Peak. Most of the packs are named after landmarks.
How many packs are there?
13 now, but forming a new pack's tough business. Doesn't happen very often. In the early 1900s, predator eradication was the official government policy. They shot every wolf they could find. Killed the last one here in Yellowstone in 1936 and declared the country wolf-free.
드루이드 피크의 늑대들은 정부의 말살 정책에서 살아남은 몇 되지 않은 개체였고 지금에 와서는 멸종위기종으로 분리되면서 옐로스톤 국립공원에서 무리지어 살 수 있었죠.
You know, I was in the field for 2 years before I ever came as close to a wolf as you were today. You may think the world hadn't cut you a single break, Owen, but you're wrong. Hey,
How do I find them?
who?
If I want to see one again.
You know what a wolf track looks like?
Like a dog's?
Yeah, if it's smaller, it's probably a coyote or a fox. You know what wolves eat? Big game, elk, bison, deer mostly.
Okay.
So find the big game, look for prints. Like that. Well, you gotta get up a lot earlier than you're used to. Best time to see them is before sunrise.
그때 만난 늑대의 눈빛을 잊을 수 없던 오웬. 뭔가 오랫동안 꺼져가고 있던 자신의 마음에 처음으로 불을 지필 수 있을 것 같은 희망을 찾은 것 같았습니다. 그러나 전문 지식과 장비 없이 늑대의 흔적을 찾는 건 쉬운 일이 아니었죠.
Hey. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You don't look fine. Come on. Come with me. I'm Jillian, by the way. I work with your dad.
What are you looking for? Wolves are elusive by nature. They're some of the toughest animals in the world to see.
I saw one yesterday. Looked right at me.
You must have a wolf soul. Your dad has a wolf soul.
It's with those collars.
Her radio collars. What kind of advice did Everett give you about tracking?
He told me to look for elk and then look for prints.
Of course he did. And that's what he told me when I first got here. Everett thinks if you don't learn the hard way, you don't learn at all. Okay.
질레이는 늑대가 차고 있는 추적기의 주파수를 찾을 수 있는 수신기의 작동법을 알려줍니다.
We try to collar about 1 to 3 individuals in every pack. So if you roll that dial, you can scan through the frequencies.
This one?
Yeah.
This guy?
Yeah. That's it. You got the signal. That's a wolf on the move. Like, he could be up to 3 miles in any direction. So, when you pick up your first signal, you mark that point on the map. And then you hike about a mile in the opposite direction until you pick up the signal again. And then you mark that point too. Where the 2 points meet, that's your wolf.
Why don't you just get one that tells you exactly where they are?
Smart boy. GPS. They're too expensive. If you take one of these receivers out and get yourself in the right range, and then use the skills that your dad was talking about for tracking, you'll see your wolves. Here.
What happened to the wolf in there? The skull by your desk?
Got shot by a rancher. They don't particularly like wolves.
Why?
They think they kill their livestock.
Do they?
Yeah, sometimes. A lot of other things kill livestock too, particularly disease. It's a lot easier to blame a wolf than it is a bacterial infection. Easier to blame something you can see than something you can't.
That's what my mom says.
What's that?
She says it's easier to blame the things that are outside you than the things that are inside.
Everett! I saw them hunting. It was unbelievable. They were chasing the elk and they were coming right out of the trees and they flanked him around to the left.
Whoa, slow down. Who'd you see?
The Druids
Where?
in the valley. It was amazing. They were
How
coming.
many were there?
I don't know, a lot.
20?
Less. So they were
10?
coming. Sure, yeah. I don't know.
Were they gray or black?
Both. Can I just tell you the story?
Sure.
All right. So the elk were running and this one group split off and the wolves started chasing that group for a while and then this one elk slowed down and right when it did, bam, I mean, they were right there. It was.
How long did it take them?
I don't know.
Make an estimate.
I don't fucking know!
오웬으로선 놀랍고 신기한 목격담을 차분히 분석하는 에버렛에게 짜증이 치밉니다.
Suit yourself. Your intelligence is a gift, Owen, but your ignorance is a choice.
늑대에 대해 더 자세히 알고 싶은 오웬은 성질을 누르고 아빠에게 다가갑니다.
These are some of my notebooks, and not to take away anything from what you saw out there today, but our job as scientists isn't just to see, it's to understand, to look for patterns and behaviors and to make sense of them. Don't just watch, observe. And we know a lot about wolves, but we still have a lot to learn, and that's true of every species on Earth. Remember, there's no monopoly on scientific knowledge. Anyone can make a discovery. Good luck out there.
아빠의 응원에 힘입어 자신의 성과를 보여주고 싶어진 오웬. 차분하게 늑대의 흔적을 찾아갑니다.
Hell yeah! Woo!
드디어 자신의 힘으로 늑대무리를 찾게 된 오웬. 처음으로 성취감과 자유로움을 물씬 느낄 수 있었죠. 다시 마주한 그날의 늑대. 그녀의 이름은 몰리였습니다. 오웬은 몰리와 눈을 마주칠 때마다 말로는 설명할 수 없는 교감을 느끼게 됩니다. 오웬은 밤새 숲속에서 시간을 보낸 뒤에야 돌아왔고 그를 애타게 기다리던 사람들은 밤새 마음을 졸여야 했습니다.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I got him. Yeah, he just walked up. He's fine.
에버렛은 밤새도록 오웬을 찾아 숲속을 돌아다녔는데 멀쩡하게 돌아온 오웬을 본 후에 말없이 들어가 버립니다.
Owen, wake up.
오웬이 자연과 연결되기 시작했다는 걸 느낀 후 그에게 더 넓은 세상을 보여주기로 마음먹은 에버렛.
Morning, Danny.
Good morning, Everett.
How you doing?
Good. Who's this fine fellow?
Danny's coach is my son Owen.
Owen? It's a good day for flying.
So you put these on and then move the microphone in close to your mouth when you talk. And when you can hear me, you say copy.
Okay.
광활한 옐로스톤 국립공원 상공을 오가며 회색 늑대 무리마다의 영역과 이동 경로를 하나하나 파악해 나가는 오웬.
9. 10 o'clock.
Oh, good eye.
That Molly's back again.
That low, even tone is our mortality signal. It means either the wolf or the collar's not moving. We'll send somebody in on foot.
The Druids.
You're good.
Everett, they've been calling for you. 2 down at McGill's place.
2? Damn.
Well, y'all are always quick coming out here once the damage has been done, but awful slow doing anything to prevent it.
Great to see you too, Lewis. Where are the carcasses?
Each one of those animals is worth $1,500. Y'all never want to hear about the damage your predators do.
국립공원 경계 인근에서 목장을 운영하는 맥길은 가끔 늑대들로 인해 가축을 잃는 피해를 입어서 늑대를 없애고 싶어 합니다.
It's that way.
We're gonna have them delisted, Everett. I'm gonna be first in line to get my license. First one.
Thanks so much for your help.
What does he mean delisted?
Means he wants the wolves taken off the endangered species list.
So?
So if they're not on the list, they can be hunted.
There's the first one.
Anyone see the wolf?
No one was out here. We can't afford to have people out here 24 hours a day.
Why, what are you thinking about? She's pretty, isn't she?
맥길의 딸 조이에게 한눈에 반한 오웬, 아들의 마음을 눈치챈 에버넷. 두 사람은 제법 마음이 잘 통하는 것 같습니다.
Hey, how'd it go out there? Any ideas?
No, looks like it might be time for another stakeout. Lewis is about ready to blow. What about Carrera?
I need him through Thursday, but he can start over the weekend.
Start what?
Sitting out.
Let's see if we can pick up the signal for whoever's stalking McGill's cattle.
Well, I could do it.
You want to spend 24 hours a day sitting in a truck in a cow pasture? Am I missing something?
The guy likes wolves. Can't fault him for that.
Okay.
Thanks, Jillian. We'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
Bye, Julian.
Bye.
Hope you brought your shotgun.
Hey,
Hey.
Mom thought you might want some coffee.
Thanks.
Anything?
Nope. What's your horse's name?
Yoda. He was steady even as a foal. What's your truck's name?
I'm not sure it has one.
I thought all men name their trucks.
It's not my truck.
Well, I wouldn't ride another man's horse without asking its name.
And I sure would name it if I forgot to ask.
I gotta go. You staying on tonight?
Yep.
I'll bring you out some dinner.
What's for dinner?
Wolf burgers.
가축을 습격한 것이 드루이드 무리가 아니길 바랐지만 이곳에서 신호가 잡혔다는 건 그들이 이 근처를 지나갔다는 명백한 증거였죠.
What's going on, Owen?
What happens to the wolves that kill the cattle?
Well, we try to rehabilitate them.
And if it doesn't work?
Well, we remove them from the population.
Right, you kill them.
It's not that simple, Owen. Wolves are social creatures. The pack learns from the individual. If you get one wolf with a taste for cattle, you can have a serious problem on your hands.
I get it. One bad apple spoils the barrel.
More or less.
The wolf stalking McGill's cattle is a druid wolf.
Sometimes that behavior changes on its own.
늑대를 믿고 싶어하는 아들에게 에버렛은 야생동물은 언제든 본능을 따를 수 있는 존재라는 사실을 일깨워줍니다. 말없이 힘들어하는 아들을 바라보는 에버렛. 자신도 지나왔던 시간이기에 성장에 필요한 과정임을 알면서도 마음은 무거워집니다.
Everything okay?
Yep. He had pups. I found him. He had a new mate, and they had pups.
They were here, right on the border, with a den site on this hill.
Who was the mate?
I don't know. I know she didn't have a collar on.
Could have been from any of the surrounding packs. How many pups were there?
5.
Looks like we have a new pack. Come here, I want to show you something. So, I entered your data with the data collected from our other scientists, and look what we got. Every one of these dots represents an observed location of the pack, and when you put them all together, you get a complete look at each pack's territory. Nice work. Let's add your pack now.
I heard there's a new pack in the park.
You ought to ask Owen about that. He found him.
Who is it?
I'm still figuring out where she came from.
Molly's pack?
And that's what I was thinking, but all the Molly's females are accounted for. I'm thinking maybe she came from outside the park.
You've done your homework. Good man.
이곳 생활에 적응했는데 이제 돌아오라는 어머니의 전화를 받게 된 오웬.
Who is it?
Owen.
Hello? You forgot your jacket on. There you go.
Why did you leave?
When I met your mom, I was 30 and she was 23, and she was the most vibrant person I'd ever met. We were foolish and reckless, and she got pregnant, but I'd never told her I'd been married before. I got married right out of college and had a baby boy a couple years after that. We had a nice life. In the middle of the night, I woke up with a throbbing headache and the whole house smelled like gas. I went to get help, but it was too late. I lost them both. When your mom told me she was pregnant with you, I just panicked.
아버지의 숨겨진 이야기를 알게 된 오웬. 자신을 버렸다고 믿으며 마음의 문을 닫았던 그는 비로소 아버지의 상처와 선택을 조금씩 이해하게 됩니다.
2, 1. Wolf hunting licenses went on sale today in Wyoming, Montana, Michigan, and Idaho. It's to delist the gray wolf population in these states.
부자는 늑대 사냥 허가증을 판매하는 곳에 방문합니다. 무거운 마음을 갖고 말이죠.
The cattle vote than the survival of this very fragile species. Meanwhile, only 250
Zoe.
licenses will be granted this season.
Zoe.
And avid hunters
Zoe,
are
come on.
lining up for their chance to
What are you doing here?
many call
Same thing as everyone else.
Come with me.
Come with you where?
Come out in the field with me.
I
Just one
can't.
day.
I
Just one day.
can't. I help out at the ranch. I can't.
오웬은 그녀에게 자신이 느꼈던 자연과의 교감을 조금이라도 느끼게 해주고 싶었습니다.
2 licenses.
2?
One's for my son.
How about $500?
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Take your hands off him.
Hey, what's going on here? Why are you ripping up your licenses?
248.
I'm sorry?
Only 248 people will be hunting wolves this year.
Excuse me.
조이는 마지못해 오웬을 따라 나섭니다. 아직은 목장주의 딸로서 늑대를 사냥하는 것이 당연한 일이라고 믿고 있었지만 말입니다.
What are we looking at?
That hole right there.
Where's the rest of the pack?
오웬은 자신이 좋아하는 조이가 조금이라도 생각을 바꿔주길 바랄 뿐입니다. 그리고 자신 역시 예전에 바르지 못했던 모습을 바로잡고 싶었죠.
Do you think people can change?
What do you mean?
I mean, do you think bad people can become good people?
Well, if you're talking about Zoe, I don't think she's a bad person. I think she just comes from a different
No, I
background.
was talking about myself. I just left them there. At least you went off and tried to find help for your wife and kid, and I just took off.
I don't think there are good people or bad people, Owen. It's just the choices you make. Make different choices.
오웬은 이곳에서 아버지를 따라 자연을 연구하며 살아가는 삶의 매력을 느끼고 생태학자의 꿈을 키워가기 시작합니다.
Dad,
What do you got?
mortality signal.
You see anything?
Dad, I got him. Oh, Dad, you gotta put it down.
I can't do anything.
You gotta let me out, Dad.
Danny, can you put us down in that field right there?
Don't go too close to him, Owen. If he's hurt, he could go after you.
죽어가는 늑대는 다름 아닌 오웬과 처음 만나 교감을 나눴던 몰리였습니다. 사냥 허가를 받은 목장주들에게 당한 것으로 보였죠.
I'm gonna kill them, Dad. I'm gonna fucking kill them. No, Dad.
Listen, Owen. I know you're angry. I'm angry too. I saw something in you today that I didn't see when you first got here. That animal taught you something. You should try to hold on to that.
What are you doing?
Trying to fix it.
Why don't you just buy another one?
About $700. If they were cheap, everyone would have one.
질레인의 말에서 무언가 아이디어가 떠오른 오웬.
Can I borrow your car?
Yeah, the keys are in the ignition.
Hey, Dad.
What's up?
Okay. What if we give them radio receivers?
Just slow down, take a breath. Give who what?
The ranchers. What if we give them radio receivers so they'll know when the wolves are nearby and they'll be able to go outside and protect the cattle?
Those things are really expensive, Owen. I don't think that's gonna work.
Oh, we could get the money.
How?
All right, Dad, come here.
What do you got?
It's still rough, but people will be able to click here if they want to donate.
몰리를 잃은 슬픔 속에서도 오웬은 복수보다 공존의 방법을 생각합니다.
Yeah, it's not linked up right now, but I mean, you can like if you put your credit card information there, it wouldn't do anything right now, but it's there essentially.
Nice. You know, what's interesting is that when the wolves first came back to Yellowstone, the moose and the elk didn't know how to handle it because they were so used to the park being without predators. But sure enough, within about a year, their behavior started to change. And they began to move around more. And because they were moving around more, they stopped grazing in the same spot all season.
늑대를 바라보는 오웬의 시선이 조금씩 달라지는 것을 보며 에버렛은 자신이 평생 깨달아온 자연의 이치를 아들에게 알려주고 싶었습니다.
Every month we learn about a small change. Something new in one population can affect another. But it all comes back to this, we're all connected in ways we may not even perceive, all of us. I've never really felt at home anywhere but here. I guess some people need wild places more than others. You'd like to stay here with me. But, you know, if you want to go home, we can make that happen.
Dad, I want to stay here, but I have to go home first.
Can I help you?
It's me.
Owen, my God, I didn't recognize you.
I've been away.
Wyoming, so I've heard.
오웬은 매트의 할머니이자 자신의 선생님에게 이제서야 진심을 내보입니다.
I'm really sorry about what happened. When I woke up, I was in the woods and I panicked. I was thinking about myself. And I should have been thinking about Matt. I wanted to tell you that.
Thank you. Hope you lead a good life.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
Here you go, Kev.
What's that? Are you sure you don't need bed sheets?
I don't need bed sheets.
You want a ride?
I'm okay.
You be careful out there.
I will.
I love you.
I know.
이제 더 이상 방황하던 오웬의 모습은 찾아볼 수 없습니다. 자연 속에서 많은 것을 배우며 한층 성장한 모습으로 변해갑니다.
I know it's not much, but I ought to buy one of those transmitters.
그건 지금껏 인정하지 않았던 새아빠에게도 마찬가지였죠. 오웬은 옐로스톤 국립공원에서 조금 거리가 있는 가드너 고등학교에 다니게 됩니다.
Welcome to senior chemistry.
I have a present for you.
What is chemistry? Chemistry is the matter of sciences.
What is that?
Or the branch of natural sciences and reactions.
Mr. Wagner, really? On the first...
찢어진 늑대 사냥 허가증. 조이는 늑대와 그리고 오웬을 바라보는 자신의 변화된 마음을 담아 오웬에게 전합니다.
Hey, how did it go?
It was good.
상처받고 방황하던 소년 오웬은 자연 속에서 조금씩 자신을 찾아갔습니다. 늑대와 아버지를 통해 그는 세상은 서로 연결되어 있다는 것을 배웠죠. 그리고 자연이 가르쳐준 가장 큰 선물은 바로 함께 살아가는 방법이었습니다. 영화 드루이드 피크였습니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.